Founded over 60 years ago, Harvey Windows and Doors has grown to become one of the nation's most respected and trusted replacement window and door companies. The company is privately owned and distributes its products across the United States under the brands of Harvey Windows and Doors, Soft Light Windows and Doors, Thermotech Windows and Doors, and Northeast Building Products. The company manufactures all of its products, and its windows are available for homeowners across the United States through its vast dealer network. Harvey windows are available primarily in vinyl and wood and can be used for both window replacement and new construction purposes. The company offers windows in the following styles: single hung, double hung, rolling, awning, casement, storm, bay and bow, gliding, picture, and garden windows. Harvey offers a lifetime warranty on its vinyl windows and a 10-year warranty on its Majesty Wood Windows product lineup. Harvey Windows Reviews maintain an average score of 88% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on average, which is very good. Recent customers have most cited high-quality products and great customer service as the primary reasons for choosing Harvey Windows for their window replacement project. From a pricing perspective, Harvey Windows has a reputation for being good quality windows at a competitive price point. In comparison, Harvey Windows prices would rank right around the median price for average replacement windows. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.